Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I am going to discuss about a very interesting topic, that is data analyst. So you must have heard this term somewhere, but do you really know that who is a data analyst? What are the roles a data analyst have to perform? What is the job of a data analyst? What are the things the data analyst has to learn? And various applications of data analyst. So you can understand that what is it, and if you want to start your career as a data analyst, then this will be a very helpful video for you for starting. You can understand the basics and then you can start further. So without any further delay, let's start with the video. So the first topic which we will be discussing today is that who is a data analyst. So you must have heard the term data analyst, but do you really know that who is a data analyst? So let's deep dive into the topic. Let's take an example of a business. So a business is run by a business owner or a business person. So the business person does not have much time so that he can go through each and every row or column of a data sheet and knows about what is going on in his business. So there comes the data analyst. So the data analyst will collect the data from the business. There can be many different types of data. According to the business, he will collect the data and then he will clean the data and then he will move the data to different visualization tools, different business intelligence tools, and then with the help of the tools, he will create insightful visualizations and he will create a dashboard so that the business owner can easily understand. The report or dashboard made by the business intelligence tool is very easy to understand, and the business person can easily navigate through one page to another and understand all the things about what is going on in his business. Where is the business performing good? Where is the business lagging? What are the fields or what are the things which need to be improved or updated? And then he can make some informed decision and then he can improve his business. So now you know that who is a data analyst. Now we should understand that what does a data analyst do. So the data analyst basically collects the data from the business. So once he will get the data from the business, then he cleans the data. He removes all the unwanted rows and columns which are not needed or which are not much necessary. And then he will load the data into business intelligence tools and then he will create insightful visualizations like different type of bar charts, pie charts, tables and all, which is very easy to understand. Within few clicks, the business owner can understand that what is going on in his business or his products, and then he can easily make the decisions which can improve his business. So after the visualization, the data analyst will create a dashboard or a report and then he can easily share that report to the business. Now you know that who is a data analyst and what does a data analyst do. So you must also know that what is the importance of data analytics. So before learning something, you must know that what is the importance of learning that and where can we use that, and do you really need to learn this or not. So that is why I am making this video, so that you can understand the basic terms and then you can proceed further. So the importance of data analytics is in any business is that a data analyst will collect the data, clean the data, and then he will make the dashboard or report with the help of business intelligence tools. And then he will share that report to the client, which is a business owner. And then with the help of that, the business owner can make business decisions. He can perform various functions in his business and he can change many things. And it will help in cost reduction of his business and also the improvement of product. Let's take an example of a company which is selling different products. So the person who is in charge of that data collection, he will collect all the data day-wise, month-wise, quarterly-wise, year-wise, whatever the thing which suits to the company. So he will collect all the data. Once the data analyst will get the data, then he can create the visualization in which everything will be there. Earnings, the expenditures, what are the products performance and everything. So it will help the business to make decisions so that the business can grow and they can fill the gaps which they are lagging. So this is the main importance of data analytics. So the next topic is data analysis and data analytics. So these two sound similar, but there is a slight difference between these two. So these two are just the steps of a decision making process in any business. With the help of past data, we get that what has happened in the business in the past, and then with the help of that past data, we can forecast the future, that how is the business going to perform. Let's take an example of a product which is in market from past 10 years. So there will be data for past 10 years, quarterly, yearly. With the help of that data, we will analyze the data, we will do the analysis on the data, we will define the data and analyze the data, that what has happened from past 10 years. In which of the months the product has performed well, in which of the months the product has not performed well, various feedbacks from the customers. And then in data analytics, with the help of that past 10 years data of the product, we will analyze that in which months the product has performed well and in which month the product has not performed well. So in the month where the product has not performed well, the business can do some changes or give some offers and do many such things so that their sales can grow. So this is the main difference between the data analysis and data analytics. So now let's move to the next and the very important part of the video, that is the tools and technologies which is used by the data analyst. So if you want to become a data analyst, then you must learn all these tools and technologies so you can start a good career as a data analyst. So the first is the data visualization tools. So the data visualization tools such as Power BI, Tableau and all are used for creating interactive dashboards. The second one is the programming languages, which are Python and R, which are used for data analysis and data manipulation. And the third is DBMS, Database Management System. So MySQL, PostgreSQL and MongoDB are help in the data storage and retrieval of the data. So we can store our data and then we can retrieve the data from there in our business intelligence tool like Power BI and Tableau, and then we can create different type of charts and visualize the data. So this is just a basic introduction of what are the tools and technologies which are required. In the further upcoming videos, I will be deep dive into each of the following topics, and then you will get good understanding of each of the tools and technologies, and then you can proceed further easily. So now comes the applications of data analytics. So in which of the fields data analytics are mostly used? Almost in every field where the data is stored in a business, data analytics is used. Most of the places are marketing, finance, healthcare, e-commerce and banking. So in marketing, just now I told you an example of a product, like that only it is used in marketing. In finance, it is used to make the different informed decision in a business, like where it is lagging in finances, what are the expenditures, what are the earnings and all. In healthcare, it is used to store various information like the earnings, revenue, the expenditures, patient details, test details, doctor details and many more. And then with the help of data, you can visualize the data and understand the hospital management or healthcare management system. In e-commerce, it is also widely used because in e-commerce there are various products and each of the business owners have their own data. So with the help of data analytics, they can easily understand their products, where they are lagging, where they need to improve, where they need to improve their product, where they need to improve their price or whatever the changes they have to make. And in banking, it is used to visualize the finances, about the loans and all and many things. So these are the places where the data analytics is mostly used. Other than this also, wherever the data is stored, there data analytics is used. So now comes the conclusion and the next steps to perform. So this is just a basic video of a data analyst, that what is a data analyst, what are the things data analyst need to learn, what are the applications of a data analyst, where the data analyst is performed and other things. So you can start learning from now on. I will be uploading more videos related to data analyst in upcoming videos, and I will be going through each and every topics deeply so you can understand it better and you can make a good career as a data analyst. Each of the tools and technologies which I have discussed in the video, I will be deep diving into that in a separate video, and then you can understand it better and then you can proceed it further. So that's it for this video. We'll meet in the next video. Thanks.